while we're in Broken Hill, we went out and visited we took a drive. No other tourists seemed to do it. We were the only ones that drove out there, weren't we, darling? I mean,
yeah. So we went out to the Pinnacles. They're on private land, so I think that's probably why it's not really a tourist place, but it'd be famous to all those people who watched Mad Max. It is one of those sites, but it's quite spectacular, and the road out there was just gorgeous. It was quite a beautiful sight.
Yeah, well worthwhile. Check this out. We did a few little shots of it, mainly from the drone. Just sensational.
Only wanted me naked, but you can have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Room 2110, what I come here for. I wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words. Well, it's not your best presentation.
we've just spent a week in Broken Hill. What do you think, darling?
Oh, it's been fantastic. There are so many more things to do than we could have imagined. And boy, did we do a lot of things.
Broken Hill is really a super cool place to come. Well worth every cent.
I'm just going to shut the door because it's beeping in the background. Have you got the key?
No. Take 2. So if you like this video, what do you do, darling?
Give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
Look where we are. It's that quiet where we are here. You can hear the insects in the grass.